Welcome back to another vlog on the last episode of Dragon Ball Z. We got the one UZ to turn on, and I don't know what Jose's doing with that goddamn fucked up wheel. Oh, he's selling the wheel, finally, after 100 years of having it. But yeah, guys, if you're new to the channel, welcome to Inspired Dreams. Go check out all our other videos. We finally got the one UZ S14 to run. Pretty good. Yeah, we did a whole fucking build. Go check it out. Today, I thought I would do something very interesting. I thought it was pretty cool. I saw Jimmy Oaks and a couple people do this to their car, but they went like full blast and used like a shitload of it. Today, I wanted to clean up the rear trunk and make it a little more presentable. We'll be using, it's Raptor Liner, but it's Raptor undercoating on the trunk to make it look all nice and black, look all good. Usually people like to on their undercoating and all that stuff under the car, all right here. We'll be doing that to Jose's car once we get a lift in the shop soon, hopefully one day. So basically what you got to do is get all the rust out, clean it up. It's kind of like painting, and let the magic happen. So let's get today's vlog started. Oh man, dude, this thing is like a mess. Like, it's so gross and dirty. This car was a flooded car, so it's salvage. All 240s are mostly salvage, but yes, especially this one. This one was salvage, flooded. You can tell by all the rust, but it's not that bad. All right, I know you guys don't want to see us just sanding. I wouldn't. No, fuck that. You know how many times we did videos of sanding and sanding and sanding? They don't want to see that shit. Drop a comment if you want to see us sand this goddamn fucking trunk. But you know what? All right, everything's ready to get rust fixed, because I got to fucking spray all these rust areas. And this is probably going to take a full day. 2 to 3 coats on every rust area. And then after that, then we have to primer it. And then after that, then we go straight to the Raptor Liner, wherever it is. It's somewhere around here. It's just like painting. It's going to take a while. Coats are applied. Now I gotta wait 24 hours, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. Let's start fixing this trunk. So after a while, we did the rust fix and it got all the rust black. That's what you want it to happen. So now we're just gonna go over with some self-etching primer only on the rust spots and the bare metal. And then after that, then we can start applying the Raptor Liner, this stuff, and it should come out good, hopefully. I wouldn't be too bummed about it. It's just the trunk, but it'll look way better than this. This is just ass. At least my trunk is somewhat okay. I've seen trunks that have no fucking trunk, or big holes, or fully rusted. What can I say? It's a 240. These things are just prehistoric animals ready to die. You are my shining star. Thank you for your donation, bitch. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We're taking this one? This one? We're taking this one? It's alright, look, Pete donated us all these tools. Damn, look, we got some screwdrivers he donated. This boy's fat and he's hungry. You gotta feed him. I ain't feeding him. What are we getting? What are you getting, Jose? Alright, so dyeing the carpet failed very, very badly. God damn it, I don't want to get copyrighted. So, like I said, carpet fell badly. We did a couple things before we left. We got the Japanese K24A on the stand. We're just breaking it down just to look at it for a little bit, see what we can do, what we need. We just ate Subway. Primer's fully good, so I'm gonna start putting this shit down, and then after that, we'll see what it looks like. Who's here? Mr. Blade. Look at this dude. He finally made it this shot. Look, he looks more confident in my video than his video. Go check Blade out. I'll leave his YouTube channel around here. So guys, I already did the first coat. I should have did cinematics of me doing it, but the second coat, I'll film me doing it, or I'll film Jose doing it. One of us, but we gotta go get one of these. And these bad boys are fucking expensive. These are like $20 a can. All I do is spend money on this fucking car. All right, guys, let's go to AutoZone because that's the only place that has it. Drop a comment down below if we should go in the Type R.
T-service.
Oh, did it help?
Yeah, it was blowing 80 out of the vent, so it was low on Freon.
God damn. Second time in a Type R.
Yes, sir. Oh, shit. Yep. Shitty infotainment center. I can't adjust the...
Just take that out and put a Tesla one. All right, see you guys at AutoZone.
Spread your booty cheeks.
While the trunk cures, I'll be making my power wire. Super simple shit. I'm just looking for fucking something to take this off with. The trunk needs to cure for anywhere to 3 to 4 hours, so we'll let that happen. We'll probably come back tomorrow. I just got done making the power wire, or the positive power wire, which is right here. So this will probably extend all the way to the back. I still need to drill a hole so I can fix up the fuel pump stuff over there. And then we are waiting on the fuse box. And then once the new fuse box comes back, we'll double check all the lighting and stuff and make sure everything runs properly. Turn signals work. Now we're back 2 days later. The trunk is finally done, so come and check it out, guys. Come on. Came out really, really good. It just looks very, very grayish to me, but I'm also colorblind because it also says black on the can. Let me show you. Yeah, it says black right there. It does not look nothing like that unless it's because, I don't know. It looks more like this. So, the trunk looks so much better. So at one point, because this is a salvage title, or a salvage car that was in water, this whole rear quarter panel had to be smushed in from right here. All of this was smushed in, and I guess they used a frame machine and actually got it back out, which looks really, really good. Or it could just be right here that got smushed in, but look at all that crease. This car had to be on a frame, but it looks way better. I'm just gonna fix the wiring, put everything back to normal. Because our new chassis, our engine compartment chassis harness, the one like this one, should be here tomorrow. I will be putting all that back into the 240 because it's coming with all brand new, well, not brand new everything, but it has everything. It has lights, fog lights, turn signals, the small turn signals for the corner lights, and the side marker turn signals, which are pretty cool. That's, dude, I love how they look on there. I used to be a fan of like the Kokies, but like for some reason I'm liking more of the zinky look because I really like the R33. In my opinion, it's like one of my favorite styles of the Skylines. It's just like the 240 zinky reminds me of it so much, especially when you get the BN style kit. Man, dude, it just looks amazing. So that's pretty much going to be it for today's video. Like, this was something I really wanted to do because of how horrible this goddamn trunk looked. But, dude, this Raptor Liner shit made it look so much better. So if you guys are trying to do something like that to your messed up trunk, I recommend using this stuff. On On the S13, we'll be doing the whole car undercoating with that. I wish I can do it with this one, but I don't know yet. But I really want to do the fender wells. Maybe we'll do a video on that. But anyways, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next vlog coming out soon.